still posting manually on every social media platform? What if you could schedule content for Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, and more from one place? Let me show you how using Buffer. After signing up and logging into Buffer, you'll land on this dashboard. The first thing you need to do is connect your social media accounts. Buffer supports Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, X, and many other platforms. Once your accounts are connected, you'll see them listed here. Under each account, you'll find 3 options: Publish, Community, and Analytics. To schedule a post, click on Publish, then click the New Post button in the top right corner. On the next page, first select the social media platforms where you want to publish your content. Then write your caption. If you need help, you can use Buffer's AI assistant to generate or improve your caption. Next, upload your media. You can also click Customize for each network to make platform-specific changes, such as adding a YouTube title or adjusting content for LinkedIn. Once everything is ready, click Next Available. Choose your preferred date and time and schedule your post. To view all your scheduled content, simply open the Calendar tab and you'll find all your upcoming posts in one place. This can save hours of manual posting and help you stay consistent across all your social media platforms.